Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you how to do waffle stitch bralette, okay? And for this project I'm going to work upwards, all right? I'll work upwards. We're going to be starting from here up when I'm showing how to make increases, all right? Most of you know how to do decreases, but I searched for a video on how to do increases on waffle stitch, especially to do a bra cup from the pyramid, how do I call it, from the top here downwards. That's making increases instead of decreases. So I didn't get a video, so I decided to come up with this tutorial. Okay, and for this project I'm actually going to be making a dress with it. Okay, so I just want to show you how I made this step, and from there, so I already made this is for one side of the bra of the breast, and the other side I'm going to do the other side, and after which we're going to join and continue with the dress. Okay, but I want to show you how to do this, how to make increases, especially if you're working like a bra cup, you want to make a dress. I don't know how to do the increases. So yeah, so follow keenly. It wasn't easy coming up with this. I had so many tries and fails. And I finally, figure it out. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So follow the video or the steps keenly, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to put this aside, and I'm using a size 4 hook. I'm using a milk cotton 4 ply, and size 4 hook is recommended of 50 grams. All right, I'm going to start with a slip knot. I'm going to make a slip knot. Yeah, I'll put aside my scissors, and so we want to start here. We'll do a chain of 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. All right, and in the first chain, let's say 4, we'll do a chain of 4, 4, and in the very first chain we want to make again 2 double crochets. All right, 1 and 2, right? So now in the when we chain 2, which does not count as a stitch, this chain 2 is to ensure that our work has a good finishing. Okay, very straight edge, right? Like this. See how straight it is. Okay, look at that. Look at that. All right, so we're making a chain of 2 again, which does not count as a stitch. And in the very first chain you want to work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and in the middle chain this here you want to work 1 back post double crochet, like so. And in the last chain you do 3 double crochets. This is what we have so far. All right, now we're going to chain 2, return our work. In this very first we chain 1, please. In this very first this is we chain 2, we make increase of 2 in the very first chain. Now in this one, in this first chain we are going to do, okay, so in this second chain, the second chain we're going to work back post double crochet, and in the next we're going to work back post double crochet. Now here we are going to do 1 double crochet, not a back post, just normal double crochet. And in these 2 we're going to work 2 back post, 1 and 2. And in the last stitch you are going to work 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. All right, we chain 2, 1, 2, and we turn our work. All right, here we did 2 increases. Now this, let me come back. Here we did 3 increases at the corner. In the next line, the third row, we did 2 increases. Now in this row we are going to do again 3 increases. So that's what you are just going to do. Okay, 3 increase, 2 increase. Next line, 3 increase, 2 increase, just like that. Okay, so from here you are just going to work row 2 and row 3 continuously until you have it as big as you want. Okay, so this is row 3. For row 4 we're going to repeat row 2, and row 5 we repeat row 3. Okay, row 6 we repeat row 2, row 7 we repeat row 3. So you go on and on and on until you have it as large enough, until you no longer want to make increases, and then you just go ahead and be doing forth and back without increases. But the stitch here, the method of the method here stays in place. Okay, you're just going to be making changes at the corner because of the increases. All right, but when you are done with the increases, the pattern here stays the same. Okay, nothing changes, just continue with the pattern to second and third row, second and third row without increases. That is when you are done with the increases. But if you're making increases, you increase 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, I hope that's clear enough. So for row 4 we are going to make a repeat of row 2. All right, so we are going to chain 2 chains, which does not count as a stitch, and then we'll make 2, 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. We'll do 1 back post, 1, and we are going to do 2 normal crochets, 1, 2. Here back post, 1, 1, 2. All right, and in the last we're going to work 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. So you see that, you see how that is coming out already. Okay, this is the first 1, 2, 3. All right, that's it. 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so for the next row we'll make a chain of 2, 1, 2. All right, here we did 3 and here 2. Okay, now we are going to do 2 back posts and 1 double crochet, 1, 2. All right, and here we'll do 1. You see that here we'll do 1 normal crochet. Here we do 2 back posts, 1 and 2, and here we do normal back post, normal crochet. Okay, so you see how that is going. You see that you now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's it. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, So we'll continue with chain 2, 1, 2. I will do 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. One back post, 2 normal double crochets, one back post, 2 normal double crochets, one back post, 2 double crochets in the next 2 chains, one double crochet in the next 2 chains, one back post, one double crochet in the next 2 chains, one back post, and 3 double crochets in the last chain. Chain 2, all right, so you see that 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. This is the 5th one here. So this is what you want to do until your work is large enough. All right, so for me, I'm going to work this large. All right, so here is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, row 6, row 7, row 8, row 9, 10, 11. All right, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 rows. So I'm going to work till the 11th row, and I'm going to join. All right, I'm going to join here, and I'll continue. I work. So for the increases, this is how you make increase.